Did you know that 9 out of 10 people are doing squats wrong? And then when you add weight to it, you make it a million times worse, stressing out the wrong joints and causing pain, aches, and injuries. I have some very important tips to share with you that will help you do a squat appropriately and that will take off all of the pain so that you can get the benefit of the strengthening as opposed to hurting yourself over and over again. The best way to perfect your squat is to focus on a sit to stand because that's a functional squat. So beginning in sitting, this is where we're going to set up for our perfect squat. You want to sit on the edge of the piece of furniture and you want to make sure you're sitting on something that's not too high and not too low. You have to find the perfect height for your leg length. You want to be on the edge and you want your feet open, separated a little bit wider than your hips. Most importantly, you want your knees and your toes in good alignment. If your toes are going in and your knees are pointing out, recipe for disaster. So make sure you find good alignment, and this will be different from person to person. So look and see that the knees are following the toes. Before you get up, you want to shift your weight into your heels because the heels is where you want to keep the weight as you're doing your squat to avoid putting undue stress on the knees. You want to engage your core. So think about doing that little elevator where we gently lift and squeeze the lower abdominal muscles. And then you're going to want to shift your trunk forward, keeping your back tall and straight, not allowing it to round out. If you need support through your hands, you can push through your thighs or push through your chair. If you don't need them, then you can hold your arms out in front of you. Find the level that works for you. In this position, shifting your weight into your heels, shifting your trunk forward. As you come up, squeezing through your glutes and keeping the weight in your heels the entire way, you come up to standing and then you lower yourself down and you repeat the exact same thing. At any point along the time when you're coming up from your squat, you should still be able to lift your toes up. That's how you know you're maintaining your weight in your heels. If you're not able to lift your toes, you're shifting your weight too far forward. And then you just simply repeat. Again, keep an eye on those knees, engage the core, lift up. And the more you practice this form, the better you will get at your squats. And eventually, they won't cause you any pain, and you'll actually be getting the benefit of the squats, which is to strengthen the quads, the hamstrings, the glutes, the core. And that's really what we're squatting for in the first place, right? If you're new to fitness, WeShape is the program for you because our routines focus on form and function over intensity. We'll make sure that you're doing movements that are good for your body and aren't causing you to be injured. Just click the link below and we'll help you build a customized plan for you. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing.